So some of the most innovative companies in the world, companies like OpenAI, SpaceX, Stripe, may never go public, which means that as an investor, you may never get the chance to own them. And here's why that matters. Hello, my name is Paul Carroll. I'm the CEO and founder of Avion Wealth, an elite wealth management firm based here in Texas. We help successful individuals and families navigate an investment world that's changing faster than ever. And this is one of the biggest shifts that I've seen in decades. Back in the 1990s, we saw 400 or more initial public offerings a year. Now, it's often under 200, and many of these are mature companies that are well past their fastest growth phase. The real superstars, OpenAI, SpaceX, Epic Games, Stripe, just to name a few, they're all staying private, and they're not in a hurry to change that. So what's going on here? What's the problem? Well, frankly, going public comes with heavy baggage. Without getting into the history, something called Sarbanes-Oxley after the great financial crisis resulted in a significant amount of additional compliance. There's quarterly earnings pressure, there's SEC scrutiny. Meanwhile, private money is overflowing. Venture funds, private equity, even sovereign wealth funds are writing billion-dollar checks that we didn't see before. Add in the fact that staying private means more control, fewer distractions, and the freedom to make long-term bets without stock price drama. And it's easy to see why founders are no longer rushing to public markets. And this is a problem. Let me talk about why it matters. When companies stay private longer, the biggest gains occur before you, a retail investor, can participate. By the time they reach the IPO, the initial public offering, they're already worth tens or even hundreds of billions of dollars. Think Facebook or Airbnb. And now much of the upside has gone to both insiders and institutions. That means fewer early stage opportunities for the general public and more wealth concentrated at the top. So what, if anything, can you do about this? For accredited investors, private equity or venture funds offer earlier access. Sometimes you can buy private shares in the secondary market. And for everyone, investing in public companies with stakes in these innovators can be an indirect way to participate. For example, Microsoft owns OpenAI, and you can invest in Microsoft. But these avenues are fraught with challenges, risks, and expenses. We have to remember that private investing carries higher risk, less transparency, and longer lockups. So in conclusion, the rules of the game are changing. If you want your portfolio to keep up, you need a strategy that considers where the opportunities are moving. At Avion Wealth, we try to help our clients do exactly that. If you'd like to explore your options, let's have that conversation. We wish you the best of investing success. Thank you.